Hey there, this is Marcus Jones. I'm checking in from Phoenix, Arizona. Hey, I just want to talk to you guys today about home-based businesses and income taxes. Let me give you a little bit of my history. Um, my wife and I were married for several years, and every year we owed Uncle Sam. Owed taxes to Uncle Sam because we didn't own a home and we didn't have any children. Didn't have a whole lot of things to write off on our taxes. So every year for about 3 or 4 years of our marriage, we would pay our income tax burden, which were thousands of dollars, to Uncle Sam. So it came to a point where, I had to figure out a way to legally reduce my income taxes, which led me to start a home-based business on a part-time basis. The first business I started was a commercial cleaning franchise, wherein I paid over $10,000. Well, I paid $10,000 to purchase the franchise, and I went from there. And however, in purchasing the franchise, I had lots of equipment that I had to maintain. I had the vacuum cleaner, I had the cleaning supplies, the mop, bucket, things like that. I had books out that I had to keep track of my accounts, and so I was able. And that also at that point in time, we purchased a home, and so I had more deductions. However, with the business, with the equipment I had to store in the home, that enabled me to take a portion of my home and use it for business, and that allowed me to be able to take a percentage of my routine maintenance costs for the home, a percentage of the mortgage I was paying, and write those off on the income taxes every year. And so after I got involved with home-based businesses with the cleaning franchise, I knew I wanted something that was less labor intensive. And so we moved on from the cleaning franchise, and I went to more of the internet-based businesses. I went to eBay, where I bought and sold things on eBay. I had an eBay store. I had a room where I kept all the inventory that I bought and sold on eBay. And even with my current business I'm with, it's online. I have a room, I have my office where I operate the business, and I also have a separate room where I store the inventory for the product that I market for the company. Um, with that being said, I'm currently able to write off around 20% of my mortgage, 20% of my utilities, 20% of my home maintenance costs, on the income taxes. And so, and what led me to make these comments today was I was having a conversation with someone who's in the position to retire, but they can keep working their current job and also collect their retirement income. And I told them, hey, you're in a good position, because you can double dip, collect retirement, and also work the same position without a decrease in pay. And the first thing she told me was that, oh no, the income taxes, my income tax will be so high. And so that's when I gave her some advice about having a home-based business. I'm not a tax professional, but I do keep up on the applicable tax law, especially for business owners, because as a business owner, I enjoy the same benefits that regular businesses have that have brick and mortar buildings, except my business is operated from home. Even though it is part-time, I still enjoy those same benefits because I'm in it to make a profit. I have business cards I pass out, I have flyers I give to people. I also use my card as my rolling business card. I have signs on my vehicle that market my business, and that allows me to write off my mileage on the income taxes. So if you're looking for a way to legally reduce your income taxes, I suggest you look for a home-based business you can do on a part-time basis. You never know, that may be something that can grow to a full-time income, and where you can walk away from your job if you're tired of your job. But if you like your job and you want to do something on a part-time basis, you want to reduce your taxes, look for a home-based business. But if you're that person who enjoys giving Uncle Sam an interest-free loan so you can collect the fat income tax check every year, this isn't for you. So anyway, that's my advice. I recommend you consult a tax professional, or you can even go to irs.gov and research information on home-based businesses. So God bless you. Have a great day.